Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and staying well at home. I'm your teacher, Simiran from Kerala Public School, Kamaria. As earlier we have discussed about the topic birds. Now children, as you all know that your teacher has explained about birds, names of birds, how do birds fly in the sky with the help of wings and feathers, and so on. So today we are going to do a quick question and answer related to this topic. So let's begin, children. Question number 1. What is our national bird? And here the answer is peacock is our national bird. Question number 2. Where do birds live? And the answer is birds live in the nest. Question number 3. Which is the biggest bird? And the answer is ostrich is the biggest bird. Now children, come to the next question. That is the question number 4. How many legs birds have? And the answer is birds have 2 legs. Now question number 5. Which bird can see in the dark? And here the answer is owl can see in the dark. Learn these questions and answers thoroughly at your home. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. And thank you, my children. Have a nice day.